In the vast tapestry of our planet, humanity has always sought to connect, to bridge the divides that nature has laid before us. Today, we're exploring the world's largest bridges, structures of such colossal scale they seem to defy the very laws of physics. These are not merely pathways of concrete and steel, they are testaments to human ingenuity, ambition, and our relentless drive to overcome the impossible. From soaring viaducts that stretch beyond the horizon to grand structures that carry entire railway systems across miles of challenging terrain, each bridge tells a story of extraordinary vision and meticulous execution. The sheer scale of these creations is something to behold. Imagine a structure so long it would take hours to walk its length, a ribbon of human endeavor stretching across deltas, rivers, and valleys. These engineering marvels are the arteries of modern civilization, facilitating the movement of millions of people and tons of goods every single day. They are born from complex calculations, innovative materials, and the tireless work of countless individuals. They stand as silent, steadfast giants, reshaping landscapes and connecting communities in ways our ancestors could only dream of. Join me as we embark on a journey across continents to witness these titans of transit. We will marvel at their record-breaking lengths, delve into the challenges of their construction, and appreciate the profound impact they have on the world around them. Prepare to be astounded by the breathtaking scope and the quiet, powerful beauty of these monumental achievements. The story of our world is intrinsically linked to our ability to build, and these bridges are some of the most magnificent chapters ever written. Our journey begins in the People's Republic of China, home to a structure of truly mind-boggling proportions. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is not just a bridge, it is a landmark of the 21st century. Holding the Guinness World Record as the longest bridge of any kind, it stretches for an astonishing 164.8 kilometers, or 102.4 miles. This is a distance so vast it is difficult to comprehend. It is, in essence, a continuous, elevated highway for the fastest trains on Earth, linking the great cities of Shanghai and Nanjing. It is a testament to what can be achieved when a nation commits to infrastructure on an epic scale. This colossal viaduct runs roughly parallel to the Yangtze River, traversing a landscape rich with canals, lakes, rivers, and sprawling rice paddies. The decision to build such an immense structure above ground, rather than as a traditional railway on an embankment, was a strategic one. It conserves precious agricultural land, a vital resource in this densely populated region of China. Furthermore, it provides a stable, consistent foundation, impervious to the shifting and often soft ground conditions of the Yangtze River Delta. This design choice, though more costly and complex, ensures the long-term integrity and safety of the high-speed rail line it so faithfully carries. The construction itself was a monumental undertaking, employing over 10,000 workers in a symphony of coordinated effort that lasted 4 years. Imagine the logistical ballet required to fabricate, transport, and erect thousands upon thousands of massive concrete segments and steel supports across such a vast distance. The bridge is a marvel of prefabrication, with sections built off-site and then lifted into place with powerful cranes. It stands as a silent concrete dragon snaking its way across the landscape, a symbol of modern China's engineering prowess and its unyielding ambition to connect its people and its future. We now travel to the island of Taiwan, a place where nature's power is an ever-present reality. Here, another giant of the bridging world serves as the backbone of the nation's high-speed rail network, the Changhua Kaohsiung Viaduct, stretching for an immense 157.3 kilometers, or 97.8 miles, stands as the second longest bridge in the world. It is a critical artery, carrying trains at speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour, connecting the bustling metropolis of Taipei in the north with the industrial heartland of Kaohsiung in the south, traversing the island's western coast. What makes this particular structure so remarkable is the environment it must endure. Taiwan is located in a seismically active zone, a place where the earth frequently trembles. The engineers who designed the Changhua Kaohsiung Viaduct had to account for this constant threat. The bridge is not a single rigid entity but a series of interconnected segments designed to withstand significant seismic events. It allows for movement and absorbs shock, ensuring that the trains and their passengers remain safe, even when the ground beneath them shifts. It is a masterclass in resilient engineering, built to coexist with the powerful forces of nature. Furthermore, the viaduct's design addresses the economic landscape of Taiwan. By elevating the railway, it minimizes its footprint on the valuable and densely utilized plains of the western coast. This allows for the continuation of agriculture and urban development beneath its vast shadow. The bridge is a demonstration of how large-scale infrastructure can be integrated into a landscape with consideration and foresight. It is a lifeline for Taiwan's economy and its people, a concrete serpent that winds its way through the country, resiliently facing the challenges of its dynamic environment every single day. Our exploration returns us to mainland China, to another vital component of the world's longest high-speed railway, the Beijing-Shanghai line. Here we find the Cangde Grand Bridge, a structure that, while third on our list, is still a titan in its own right, measuring a formidable 116 kilometers. It is an integral part of a system designed for one purpose: speed. The engineering here is focused on creating a perfectly level and stable path, allowing trains to maintain incredible velocities without the slightest disruption. Every joint, every pillar, every meter of track is designed for seamless transit. The Cangde Grand Bridge is a prime example of the standardized, modular construction that has allowed China to build its high-speed rail network with breathtaking speed. The bridge consists of 3,092 piers, each supporting prefabricated box girders that were manufactured in dedicated facilities and transported to the site. This industrial approach to bridge building allows for immense quality control and efficiency. It transforms the construction process from a unique, bespoke project into a highly organized and repeatable assembly line, but one that operates on a landscape-altering scale. The precision required is immense. Even the slightest misalignment could have significant consequences at 350 kilometers per hour. Its engineering significance lies not just in its length, but in its role as a key enabler of economic and social change. By providing a reliable, all-weather, high-speed link, the Cangde Grand Bridge helps to shrink the vast distances of China. It connects economic hubs, allows for the easy movement of people, and fosters a sense of national unity. It is more than just concrete and steel, it is a conduit for progress. Each day, as trains silently glide across its expanse, it fulfills its purpose, a quiet but essential player in the grand narrative of China's development. Still within the orbit of the colossal Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway, we encounter another of its monumental sections, the Tianjin Grand Bridge. Spanning a distance of approximately 113.7 kilometers, this viaduct is a testament to the sheer scale of modern transportation projects. Its primary function is to carry the railway over a complex and densely populated urban and industrial area near the metropolis of Tianjin. Building at this scale in such an environment presents a unique set of challenges, requiring engineers to navigate a maze of existing infrastructure, waterways, and urban development. The importance of the Tianjin Grand Bridge cannot be overstated. It acts as a crucial link, ensuring the high-speed line can maintain its velocity and efficiency as it approaches one of China's major economic centers. By elevating the railway, the bridge avoids disrupting the intricate network of roads, canals, and communities below. It essentially creates a new layer of transportation, a superhighway in the sky that allows the nation's most advanced trains to bypass the congestion and complexity of the terrestrial world. This separation of traffic is key to the success of the entire high-speed rail project. The construction involved an immense logistical operation, a carefully choreographed dance of heavy machinery and skilled labor. The bridge is composed of a series of 32-meter-long box girders, each weighing hundreds of tons. These were cast and then transported to their final positions, a process repeated thousands of times to complete the structure. The result is a seemingly endless ribbon of concrete, a silent testament to the human capacity to impose order on a complex landscape, and to build infrastructure that will serve generations to come, facilitating a flow of people and commerce that is vital to the region's prosperity. For our final stop, we journey to the Weinan Grand Bridge, a structure that for a time held the title of the world's longest. Though it has since been surpassed, its significance remains undiminished. Part of the Zhengzhou-Xi'an high-speed railway, this bridge stretches for nearly 80 kilometers or 50 miles across the Wei River and its floodplain. It is a pioneer, one of the first truly massive viaducts built for China's ambitious high-speed rail network, and its successful completion paved the way for the even larger projects that followed. The bridge stands out for the variety of terrain it must conquer. It crosses the Wei River not once but twice, and also spans several other rivers, highways, and existing railway lines. This required a versatile design, one that could be adapted to different ground conditions and crossing requirements. The engineering team had to contend with the wide alluvial plain of the Wei River, an area prone to flooding. The bridge's piers are sunk deep into the earth, providing a stable foundation that can withstand the river's powerful currents and the region's seismic activity. It is a structure built for permanence in a dynamic environment. Completed in 2008 after 2 years of intensive work by some 10,000 people, the Weinan-Weihe Grand Bridge was a milestone. It demonstrated that China had the capability and the will to construct railway infrastructure on a scale never before seen. It was a statement of intent. As trains now race across its length, connecting the ancient capital of Xi'an with the transport hub of Zhengzhou, the bridge serves as a powerful reminder of how quickly the landscape of engineering can change. It is a foundational piece of the modern Silk Road, a steel and concrete giant that helped set the stage for a new era of connection. As our journey concludes, we are left with the echoes of incredible ambition and the silent, imposing presence of these giants of engineering. From the record-shattering length of the Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge, to the seismic resilience of the Changhua Kaohsiung Viaduct, each structure is a profound statement. They are the physical manifestation of humanity's desire to overcome obstacles, to shrink distances, and to weave our world closer together. These are not just bridges. They are the arteries of our global society, carrying the lifeblood of commerce, culture, and connection across landscapes that once seemed impassable. These incredible feats of engineering represent the pinnacle of our current abilities. They are born from the minds of visionary designers and built by the hands of thousands of dedicated workers. Each pier sunk into the earth, each girder hoisted into the sky, represents a victory of calculation and collaboration over the forces of gravity and geography. They remind us that with a bold enough vision and a shared purpose, the challenges that divide us can, quite literally, be bridged. These structures will stand for centuries, a legacy written in concrete and steel for future generations to marvel at. The story of these bridges is a story of human potential. They challenge us to think bigger, to build smarter, and to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Now I turn the question to you. As we've journeyed across these colossal spans, which of these incredible bridges amazed you the most? Was it the sheer unbelievable length, the innovative design, or the challenging environment they conquered? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your perspective adds another layer to this incredible story of human achievement.